Hi, I'm Rajiv Rawat, founder and CEO of VORAN Aviation.
At VORAN, we believe the future of aviation is not just about aircraft. It is about building the complete ecosystem around them. Training, operations, maintenance, manufacturing, infrastructure, support. At the heart of our vision is the gyrocopter. More than just an aircraft, it can create opportunities in mobility, tourism, public safety, surveillance, agriculture, emergency response, skill development. That is why we are building an ecosystem that makes aviation more accessible, practical and sustainable. Our vision is simple: to help build the future of India's light aviation sector through skills and technology, operations, execution. Because the future belongs to those who build strong foundations, not just great products. At VORAN, we are building both innovative aviation solutions and the ecosystem that supports them. Building ecosystems, creating opportunities, enabling the future.
Together, we are shaping the future of light aviation in India. And this is just a beginning. Thank you for being part of the journey. See you in the skies.